Welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book hotels online without paying it online. So you have an option to pay it at the property. So what I can suggest is to use the booking.com. So you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for booking.com. This one. Okay, and then after that, make sure that you have signed up for an account if you don't have an account yet. So after that, just click on your account right here and click on the My Account option to input all of the important details. Okay, so you have to enter your email address right here or use one of these options. So we have Google, Apple, and Facebook. Okay, so since we already done doing that, now let's go back here on the booking.com homepage. So right here at the top, we have the stays option, the flights, the flight plus hotel, the car rental, the attraction, and the airport taxes. Okay, now here just have to choose the stays option. Okay, and then you just have to select or type out your destination. So for example, Boracay, Philippines. Okay, so you just have to click on it, and then here you have it to select your dates. So your check-in dates and your check-out date. So for example, 22 to 26. That's right. And then for the number of adults, number of children, and the number of rooms. After that, click on the search option. Okay, and then right here, just have to scroll down and make sure to click on this no prepayment option right here, so that when you click on it, all of the results that you can see here, they offer that no prepayment. So it means that you don't need to pay online to reserve, but you just need to go at the property when you go there and then pay it at the counter. Okay, so for example, we have these properties right here. So here we just have to click on that property. Okay, and then after that, you'd be able to see here now the full details of this property. So they have this images that you can check. And then about this property, as you can see, they are on the beachfront location, comfortable accommodations, dining experience, nearby attractions. So they have that right here. And they also have a list for their most popular facilities. So 2 swimming pools, non-smoking rooms, airport shuttle. They also have spa, room service, 2 restaurant, beachfront, 2 restaurant, beachfront facilities for disabled guests, bar, and breakfast. Now you just have to select your option right here. So we have the dates, okay, and then the room. And then here for the room type, as you can see, we have deluxe room, standard double room, double or twin room. And then right here on your options section, we have the no prepayment needed. So you just have to pay at the property. And they also offer free cancellation before that specific date. Okay, and then here just have to select your room. After that, just click on the I'll reserve option. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Now right here, just have to enter your details. So we have your first name, your last name, and then of course your email address. So make sure that your email address is correct because the booking confirmation will be sent to your email address. So you need that. And then of course, do not forget your phone number. Okay, so 534-5519. And then if you want to free paperless confirmation, so this one is recommended, so you have to check this one. And then who are you booking for? So if you are the main guest, select this one. And if you are booking this for someone else, so you just have to click on this option. And then if you are traveling for work, this one is not optional, so we can skip that part. And then your room details right here, this is the deluxe room. Okay, and then you can also add this your stay. So if you are interested in requesting an airport shuttle, you'll need a flight for your trip, or you're interested in renting a car, or you want to book a taxi or shuttle ride in advance, so you just have to check these boxes. Okay, now for your special requests. So special requests can't be guaranteed, but the property will do its best to meet your needs. So you can always make a special request after your booking is complete. So you just have to write your request right here in English. And then your arrival time. So your room will be ready for check-in between 2 p.m. and 12 a.m. And here you have 24-hour front desk help whenever you need it. So you just have to add your estimated arrival time. So if you don't know yet, so just select I don't know and click on next. This one at the bottom right. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then the next thing that you should do here is to select when do you want to pay. So here we have the option pay at the property. So your card won't be charged, but they need your payment details to reserve your booking. So here, how do you want to reserve? If you want to reserve with your card, so we only have this option since we want to pay at the property. Okay, so we have the input right here, our card details, in order for us to reserve this booking. But again, do not worry because your card won't be charged. So you have here the full details. And then after that, you just have to click on the complete booking option. Okay, so now let's try to find another property. For example, this one. Okay, so just simply click on that property. Okay, and then let's scroll down right here. And for your options, as you can see, it includes high-speed internet and the no prepayment needed. So you have to pay at the property. So for example, click on the I'll reserve. Make sure to select your room. Okay, and click on I'll reserve. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds after that. And then you just have to do the same. Okay, so you just have to select when do you want to pay. You just have to input all of your details. Okay, so here we already done adding our details right here. So I'm just going to proceed to the next part. Okay, so again, we need our phone number. So just click on the next and the final details option. Okay, so right here you just have to do the same. Just select when do you want to pay. So again, we also have this option, pay when you stay. So your card won't be charged, but they also need your payment details to reserve your booking. After that, you just have to complete your booking. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.